The Biscayne Island Table by Vintage makes the most of confined areas. This table seats 6 comfortably on 2 hosting bar stools and 4 backless bar stools. Each bar stool has beige upholstered seat cushions for added comfort. A distressed white finish gives a touch of rustic charm, turning your dining space into a warm, welcoming place for all of the day's activities. Each piece of furniture is hand-touched and inspected an average of 6 times before it leaves the factory. Each piece is unique and tells a story because it is handmade. This is a feature that sets this collection apart from most brands. This collection showcases exceptional accommodation and beautiful style for your home, featuring traditional style elements. These wonderful furnishings highlight timeless design. Completed with an antique white finish that fuses traditional, rustic, and vintage styles all in one to create a beautiful home space. The island table measures 48 inches wide, 56 inches deep, and an overall height of 36 inches. The padded back arm stools measure 20 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and height of 42 inches. The padded seat stools measure 19 inches wide by 17 inches deep and overall height of 25.5 inches.